Today we will identify perpendicular lines. The line passing through which 2 points is perpendicular to the line 10x plus 2y equals 2. First, we must find the slope for the given line. To convert from standard form to slope-intercept form, we have to subtract 10x from both sides to get 2y equals negative 10x plus 2. Then we divide every term by 2. The equation in slope-intercept form is y equals negative 5x plus 1. This shows a slope of negative 5. Perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals, so we are looking for a slope of 1/5. Now we must find the slope for option A. First, we are going to do 8 minus negative 7. Since it is subtracting a negative, the negative 7 will become a positive 7. 8 plus 7 equals 15. We're going to do 1 minus negative 2. Once again, it is subtracting a negative. The negative 2 will become a positive 2, so we'll do 1 plus 2, then that equals 3. Next, we have to do 15 divided by 3. That equals 5. The slope of 5 is not 1/5, so this is a line that is not perpendicular. Now we must find the slope for option B. First, we do 4 minus 5 and get negative 1. Then we are going to do 0 minus negative 5 and get 5. So we're going to make this into a fraction of negative 1/5. Negative 1/5 is not 1/5, so this is not a perpendicular line. Now we must find the slope for option C. First, we have to make the given value into the slope formula. Our given values were 5, negative 8, and 0, negative 9. So our equation would be negative 8 subtracted from 9 over 5 subtracted from 0. Now our top part of the fraction is going to be negative 8 plus 9, because when the number is being subtracted by a negative, it would become a positive number. Our final equation would be negative 8 plus 9 over 5 minus 0. The final fraction is 1/5. This is the slope we were looking for. Option C would be a perpendicular line to the given equation. We will continue to prove that the other options are incorrect. Now we have to find the slope for problem D. First, we have to write the slope formula with the given coordinate pairs. Our coordinate pairs were negative 4, 12, and negative 2, 2. Now we have to put the values into the slope formula. Our equation would be 2 minus 12 over 2 minus negative 4. We have to make the negative 2 minus negative 4 to negative 2 plus 4, because a number subtracted from a negative would make it positive. So our final equation would be 2 minus 12 over negative 2 plus 4, which would be negative 10 over 2, which simplifies to negative 5. The slope of negative 5 is not 1/5, so it's not perpendicular. Lastly, we have to find slope for option E. First, we have to do negative 4 minus 11. You can turn the equation into negative 4 plus negative 11 and get negative 15. Now we must solve the bottom portion, so we'll do 1 minus negative 2. You can turn this into 1 plus 2 and get an answer of 3. Negative 15 is divided by 3 is negative 5. This slope of 5 is not perpendicular. Based on all the previous work shown, our final answer is C. 1/5 and negative 5 are opposite reciprocal slopes, which mean the lines are perpendicular.